Hi, I'm Eric.
I'm Jay.
This is Kaja.
And this is our bus, Camp El Dape.
Come on in and we'll take a tour.
Okay.
We'll start you off here. This door is the original bus door. What we did was cut off the hinges on one side, put the door together, and then attach these steel bars to it. One on the front, two on the inside, so it's all one piece door now. And then we added the electronic lock, so if we're hiking or kayaking, we don't have to carry a key around with us.
Sure. I like that.
Come on in. The bus has all engineered hardwood floors, so it's hickory hardwood floors, butcher block countertops. It is a gas Dometic oven, your typical RV oven. So we have a 20-pound undermount propane tank, so gas stove and gas oven. This is a really cool feature. Our cutting board is part of the countertop. We attach these feet to it, so it sits locked, drive ready to go. Jay made banana bread this morning.
Do you take these down when you're driving? Or?
Everything in the bus that you see now is basically drive ready with the exception of one or two things. The baskets are screwed down. This guy has double-sided silicone tape, which is excellent.
Yeah.
The plant on the stair, same way. This hanging plant also just hooks. So basically we're able to go as is. In the front up here, it's really nice. Our vases all have Velcro seat belts, basically. So everything is seat belted in and is drive ready as is.
Right.
Even this guy here has a magnet that's glued on the bottom, and then the other side of the magnet's here, so he stays magnet drive ready.
Yeah, everything on my dashboard, which is almost everything is attached somehow.
Yeah, very cool.
Same reason.
It was really important for us to be ready to drive, not have to spend a half an hour putting things away every time we wanted to go. This is a sink. My wife worked for Kohler as a ceramic engineer. When she was an intern, she got this sink. It was a prototype for a line that they were developing, and this was just a prototype, and they were getting rid of it. So we picked it up. It's been in the garage for many, many years, for about 12 years in a box, waiting to go into a house.
Build the bus around it.
We built the bus around it. Jay and I did all the tile work. Jay and I did all the work in general to the bus. We contracted nothing out. All the work was done by us. I cut all the tile. Jay laid all the tile. This fridge is really nice. It's just your basic, mini fridge. A little bit bigger than a dorm room fridge. But what's cool is that it was too long to match the depth of the countertops. So in order to fit the fridge flush, we had to extend the wall into the bathroom to lead this way through the hallway.
Is that a magnetic lock to
This right here is just a child safety lock to keep the fridge locked when driving.
Oh, gotcha.
So child safety lock here, and in the cabinets are these heavy-duty locks that'll hold the cabinets for drive day. Yep. In some of the other stuff here, this is nice. We use bungee straps that'll hold all the plates and everything in line, and we do use some shower rods also to keep things in place.
Does your couch extend out at all?
The couch does not extend out. It's two 6-foot-long daybeds that just make an L, daybed cushions that make an L.
Right.
And underneath the couch, we have a trap door that leads to our battery banks, all our electrical unit. So we're running two 200 amp hour batteries and 4 100-watt solar panel on the roof.
Okay.
So those charge the battery. We also have a battery-to-battery charger, which charges from our alternator when the bus is driving, charges our batteries.
I just added that to mine, and I love it.
I love it. And then we also have the third option for our 30-amp plug-in. So we could shore power, plug-in, drive and charge, or sun with the solar.
I have the same setup.
And it has enough power for us totally. We have no air conditioning, no TV, and so whatever we're running is basically
I have a little TV that I never turn on.
Yeah. If we wanted to, we can stream stuff from our phone or plug in our computer. We can set the computer at the bar and kind of
pretty much what I do now.
Couch. Yeah.
So.
This too, we'll show you the spice cabinet. This is where all our spices go.
Yep.
And because the spice cabinet is only this deep, it ended up only here. And we didn't want to waste space, so we cut out these cubbies and put card games, bananagrams, some beer koozies, pint glasses, things in here for extra storage.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, come on this way.
So you were saying it bumped out the...
This is our bathroom here, and because, like I was explaining, the fridge bumps out that wall, which
Right.
now creates a really nice shelf or just a
Sure.
unique piece to the bathroom.
Oh, yeah. You got
It's a
one.
full wet room, so the whole room can get wet. The
Yep.
door and the half wall are both made out of cedar, and then polyurethane and 15 coats of lacquer to make sure it's all waterproof.
Yep.
And then there's a
Same.
ventless hot water heater underneath the sink, so hot water to the shower and hot water to the kitchen.
Okay.
And then it's our typical composting toilet. There's no black water tanks on the bus, just gray water tanks.
How do you like that kind of shower?
This is the Moen Nebbia shower. We
Yeah.
love it.
I installed one of those in a step van I built for
Yeah, I'm not certain about the concept of it. It's supposed to ionize the water to create a misting effect to get you just as wet as a regular shower by using less water.
Right.
It's supposed to be able to conserve water. We love it. It works great for us. So
Yeah.
I wouldn't change a thing. This is a full queen size bed, and underneath the bed is 75-gallon fresh water tank that feeds the whole system. Like I said, we have no air conditioning, so we have 2 of the RV Max fans. They work great for us. The ceiling is shiplap ceiling, and then we have these LED puck lights. All the lights are on LED dimmer switches.
Yeah.
So that works really nice for us. At nighttime, you can set a nice
Yeah, and the
mood.
power port and the USB ports.
USB ports, power ports. We have a 120 plug-in volt thing underneath the bed. All of our storage is underneath the bed, and then these are just slide-out baskets with our clothes in
Sure.
them. Just general baskets for miscellaneous things, our toothpaste and medical kits, Band-Aids and extra towels, that kind of stuff.
Yep.
Both doors work. This is the back emergency door, and then this was our ADA door that had a giant wheelchair lift that we just took out.
Sure. Yeah, but these are nice when you have the bed because you got nice airflow.
Great airflow, great view.
Yeah.
It's so very nice. Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. Oh, now do you have any social media presence if people wanted to?
Yeah, if you want to follow us or take a look, we are at Campbell.Bay. Come and check out the bus.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Steve.
Hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.